What's up, everybody? Welcome. This is day 2, well, the first official day of GridLife. Today is the day that amazing things shall happen. The hybrid team and I will make that possible. So right now it is early AF. It's like 8, not really early. Oh, there go Katil. And now we're gonna set up and get ready to get this car on the road. Gotta go say what up to the homies Ben from over at Gears and Gasoline. So that's cool. Supposed to do Club TR together, but that's probably not gonna happen because my car is not built for it, and I'm not reversing what I've done to qualify for a class. So yeah. Plus I got some big things coming soon for the Integra. Some cool things. I be rapping gang 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 gang. So GLTC practice session just ended. Eric didn't go out, so I didn't film it. But now that I think Unlimited Street class, not Unlimited, I think Limited is out right now. I'll show you. It's the Jackie Dean class. So I'll show you guys that, and should be good. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys what GridLife is about. I'm gonna try to make a video to where like I would look for a video to watch. So I'm gonna give you guys different perspectives of like how the GridLife event goes, some races, well some flybys because I can't really get on track to film like actual turns and all that stuff. But I'll show you behind the scenes of what it's like to do a GridLife event. Hopefully meet some cool people today, have some familiar faces on the big screen, like Kendall.
Fuck my face, man. Fuck my face. God damn.
Bunch of blood clot talk in my ear.
It's like we're kicking off round 1 of RTs.
Oh yeah, right. So, get the tire pressure up. PSI. Mr. Katil. Yeah. Eric's about to go out. GLTC up next. Yes, sir. Qualifying.
So is your wife from the Mississippi Hattiesburg area, or is she from Alabama?
This is sick.
Close to Mobile. Close to Mobile. Gotcha. So, I mean, that's
Yeah, look how nice that Type R is. It's pretty sick. Got the full Mugen kit on it. Yesterday, Eric ran a 214.
Did he?
Yeah, he ran a 214 yesterday.
Yeah, they're at 212 right now.
Yeah, Andy Smetagard, bro. That dude's a beast, bro. As I'm editing this video, I realized I suck. Eric pulled in after the race to diagnose an overheating issue. I went to the GridLife booth, which you're about to see in the next clip, and I met a fan. So yeah, since I didn't film the clip after I just filmed Eric pulling in, that's what was going on. He was diagnosing his overheating issue. He let the car cool down a bit, and then he went from there. Or maybe that was day 2. Oh my God, I'm trash. I am trash, 100%. So I'm vlogging, right? And then look who I run into. Oh, damn. Jalen, bro, you missing out. You missing.
Yeah, Devin, you gotta come out to the next GridLife.
Bro, y'all are missing out right now. This is history in the making.
Bruh, look at this dude. Look at his lips.
And I might go for a ride along, dog.
Hey, we'll try to make it happen.
Yeah, we're gonna try. You know what I mean? We can see what we're gonna do. But that's cool. You guys are missing out, suckers.
Tell Devin to get his Integra done.
Oh, you have an
And
Integra and it's not
fix
done?
his TL fitment.
You gotta fix fitment on the TL. Get your Integra done, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get it together. Showing the people. I showed it earlier, but now you guys get to see it with the full Mugen kit on it. Man, this is nice. This is nice. So this is gonna be competing next year. Hopefully we'll be competing probably in the same class, because by the time.
That's a dry carbon Mugen wheel.
Oh, that is crazy. Man, this is, I want one so bad.
They're fun cars.
They really are, man. When I drove hybrids, it was like, that's it. I want one. This is behind the scenes.
Just get you like a nice piece of stainless, have a stainless workbench
A little
right
bench
here,
on the back,
you know? And also with a vice,
restrictor plate.
have a vice
Yeah,
that
no.
to it. You mean like it lifts? Yeah, exactly.
Black flag for loud.
Let me hold it.
And now we are about to meet, pause, about to meet. Now we visit the famous boys, the Ben brothers at Gears and Gasoline. What's up?
How's it going?
What's up, man? What's up, Ben?
How you doing, man? And so,
Chilling. How's she running? She's good?
it's oily.
Still got the blow-by issue?
Yeah.
Damn. Damn.
Sway bars, sliding. Yeah, the end link or the bushings, like bars are sliding, the bushing harder, and have a ton of tension.
Hack you some. It's cool. Check out this pretty cool LS Schwab S2000 from the Golden. Pretty cool. I would never do it, but it's cool. I slap a K24 on that thing, you hear me? So this is Jackie's car. Man, it's crazy, man. Man's a beast.
Play with it. Maybe turn the map a little bit and see what we can do. I'd like to see maybe sevens, maybe sixes. I think
Eric is going back out for session 2. Let's go, my G. Let's go, my G.
He's already up in the spots. Yeah, well, so
That's how you do it. C8. Track it. Looks pretty damn good. So that is pretty much day 2 of GridLife. I don't know how much footage I actually got. I don't know if this vlog was enjoyable, but today's vlog goal was to be like more of a behind the scenes. Like, I would want to watch a GridLife event to know like what it's like, the atmosphere, and it's pretty cool, man. Like, for my first event, it's pretty cool. Like, the atmosphere here is dope. People are nice. You got beautiful ass Evos like that. You got Jackie Dean driving, winning shit like always. Man's a damn goat. It's just cool, man. It's a cool event. I can't wait to have the car out here. I won't be able to compete in Club TR because my car does not qualify for Club TR. I'm gonna have to run street unlimited, I don't know, street mod, I don't. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whatever monstrosity this was. Hit the like button if you support black people. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace. I'm so disappointed in this video. I thought I filmed way more behind the scenes stuff than I did. I didn't. This video was pretty terrible. I tried to edit, throw little extra editing, small effects in there to save it, but nah, I'm not happy with the outcome. But maybe one of you guys might enjoy it, and at least one of you guys enjoyed. That's all that matters. But yeah, the next GridLife video is gonna be like a short film type thing, and I made sure I killed it on that, so that should be fire. Yeah, man, GridLife. It's without getting too much into it, it's amazing. I highly encourage you to go out to an event if you live in the surrounding areas or you want to take a cool little road trip or something like that. I'll leave a link down below. I probably won't because I always forget. But check out GridLife.com for like the track event schedule stuff. Well, the GridLife schedule for this year, and just, you know, come out to an event, man. It's really cool, man. It's definitely like if you want to get into the motorsport of like grassroots time attack or what's it called, wheel-to-wheel racing. There we go. I highly suggest you check it out, man. It's cool. Do some HPD days, you know what I mean? Get your seat time in without the competition. Make sure it's fun and stuff, and have a good time. But all in all, yeah, this video sucked.